Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone, I received this package from Roolso. I don't know if I pronounce it right. I want to say thank you to Sunny for sending this package. It is said that this is the most luxurious weight loss product in history, and it is also the only weight loss brand that promises no exercise, no diet, no rebound, and invalid refund. Let's take a look at what's inside. The outer packaging is very luxurious, not only for personal use but also suitable for gift giving. First, you'll see a manual wherein it tells you everything that you need to know about the package. The main product is a belt with hot compress and massage functions. There are 2 deep sea magnets on the outside. The main material is made of precious graphene. Use it half an hour after meals to enhance gastric motility and speed up digestion. They promise to lose 1 kg in 1 day. It comes with a power bank wherein you need to attach this black cord to it to make the machine working. Next is a BMI scale which can measure your health index according to your height and weight. There is also a bottle of herbal firming cream which can prevent the occurrence of obesity lines very well. The last but not the least is a herbal medicine patch that can be used together, which is made of 7 very rare and precious herbal medicinal materials. Only 1 ton of raw materials can be boiled into 2,000 pieces of this kind of medical patch. It can regulate the internal functions of the body very well. For this belt, you put it around your waist comfortably. Make sure that the cord is attached to the power bank. Press the massage button for 2 seconds to turn on the massage function. The red light indicates that the massage has no intervals, and you click it again. The white light says that the massage has an interval of 1 second, and for the blue light, the interval is 2 seconds. Press the temperature button for 2 seconds to turn on the hot compress. The red light indicates high temperature, the white light is a medium temperature, and the blue light is the lowest temperature. The machine is timed for 30 minutes automatically. To turn off these buttons, all you need to do is press it for 2 seconds, and that's it. Here is their website if you're interested to check, and also I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, and let me know in the comments if ever you've tried this product, and let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!